Khamiar bansiam beki skul hanong kandong ki pau pani nu job beki skul ha ki jakasar handai ka we ka skul ka blatip ka Mynken Higher Secondary School Bhoi Rymbong laju tip kum ka skul ka bapau ha ka ban yakin jadbol ha ka jilla namar blajura bon ki kusnam ha ka lempung yelakai subra tukap ba ki jing yelakai yakurani boxing la banong ru napoh ka ni ka skul Mynken Bhoi Rymbong kin sami ki khna ki banlong kita ki engineer ki scientist namar up south regnala aja apulai director ka Directorate of School Education Swapnil Tembe IS Shibanta Bansakhi Kisab ki Phongji Khna Lingba ka program SDEM exhibition ka badai ka pilot project ka bale ka smart village movement and curiosity gym Mumbai Utembe ula sakhi kisab jeng khna jo ka nek school ha ki jishna ba ki boj ba pher lingba ki stad science and technology u principal jo ka nek school ubagu I pingru ubabatai ki jing IT mat ban museum ka bor pinya school ban pentelan wala Kempat yo ika jingrap na kasorkar kum ka jingsnai ka jingtai kepada ki paulang ubabu pingrup ulai thu ba namar bakaskol kala paunam ba ha ke jingrakai kala kring ya kasorkar India ban ai ya ka scheme Khelo India lingba ka boxing khamtam ba ka ni kaskol ka paunam ba ha ka jingrakai kinjat bol
Why do you need a register? Why can't we directly?
What happens if there's no resistance? The electric circuit. When the switch is off, the bulb is off.
Good. Is it the same circuit which is used here in tube light? Yes. I am here in this wonderful school, Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School in Riboi district, and they are doing various activities. One is under the Smart Village Movement, which is the SPM for STEM, which is the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, which has become very important as per NEP. And NEP, in fact, says that we should start at the class 6 onwards for STEM. So it's good to see that this school has got this special lab, and then these is also powered by Curiosity Gym, and by the initiative of the principal. They also have a lot in vocational education, like agriculture. They have health, beauty and other services and etc. So it's very good to see, and their computer lab and their robotics and all is also very active. They are also having a Khelo India Center in boxing, which is very good. So it's a kind of a model school, I can say, that which is offering all these facilities, and we will try to replicate this model in other our higher secondary schools in Meghalaya by collaborating with all these organizations under the various schemes of the government of Meghalaya, and also Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. This is a very peculiar project, like where SVM is having in two. There is one other school in Moflong, but as I said, we will try to cover the as many as higher secondary schools as possible, because this is more relevant for higher classes like secondary and higher secondary class 9 and 10. So this is more of a like a pilot, and then we are seeing very good results. So we will try our best to replicate this in all our higher secondary schools. No, yeah, it will be. It is really it basically we want higher secondary schools and school complexes like this, where we have here as we see, this is school complex from class nursery they have till class 12. So this is what NEP also says, that we should have school complexes. So it's a very good thing, and we want to make more of our school, because at secondary higher secondary we have very less number of schools. So we want to upgrade the existing schools to have having complete complexes, so that students don't have to worry about, once they are admitted they can continue till class 12. So this is what NEP also says. Samagra Shiksha, there is something called Rashtriya Aviskar Yojana, Abhiyan, sorry, RAA, which is supposed to facilitate STEM. So we are already doing. In fact, we took 200 teachers of Meghalaya to IIT Guwahati and we trained them in robotics and AI. And in phase-wise manner, other teachers will be also be taken in robotics and all that, and they'll be provided this kits which this school has, and the kids are wonderfully using it. We just witnessed a class 8 girl. She has made some kind of a vehicle robotic, and then she's interested in it, and she wants to become an engineer in that field. So we will work under various this RAA and Samagra and other government schemes. There is a science and tech department also in government, so we will collaborate with that as well. We talks about various things. So one of the focus, there are various things like FLN, there is ECCE, ECD. So STEM is one of the most important thing because it basically promotes thinking, thought process. So children, especially in the science stream, they need to be given practical, options. Like they need to practice things. So labs have to be there, equipments have to be there, stuff, so that they can innovate and create. Because there is only so much you can teach by via theory. They need practical, so that is why there's so much of emphasis on STEM. So basically it's like a applied thing, so all these things are already there in the curriculum as a theoretical concept. So now with this introduction of STEM, the idea is to have applied concepts, like whatever they learn in the class, how do they use it. So that is the meaning of pushing this STEM. What they already are having in the textbook, how to use it, apply it in normal life.
So dari Sri I Pengrup, the principal jong di school, Mynken Hr School Bhoi Rymbong, kini school las dang dadu khat kendai dari fulai, buat mentas nem kala dap dari fusnem. Tiga ni school maju batai lengkot kala dap dari fusnem, bat kala ya lenti ke bajrong, bat mentaya iladon lightly stream agani school, ka science, ka arts, bat ka commerce, ya ka science, ya ka arts ilas dang haus nem arhajar lai, ya ka commerce arhajar khat lai, but mencem senam arjar arpuar ila sang like science stream. Tiga tang maka school sigini githan nadu umyam hadu ha border Assam terso malos nai kabadon boro lightly ki stream. Tiki kena kelaiwan bahas ni kala dong ka jingger hu ya kene dong berkathan jungi kamtam ya ka higher section gidon menta laispa khat khandai gut ha ka higher secondary but ka total kena berkhoi kidan khandai spa repongot te ka jingple jungi yakini ka higher secondary klai rap biki khna ki bom yolan ban leche shilong khamtam ha ka commerce wat ka science ki bahe ki percentage ki layo ban puli hangni ban ni kala long ka jingger khu yakene ka dong bat ka than ka jungi ti ngi aingu ya ka education department ngi ai shibun ya sarkar me khalia kabla ithu yakini ka school bagan long ka model school na ka manta ki wai pan e kala ai yakini ka scheme jong ka central government kabadon shifau tali ki school banlong model school na kabda ka vocational kada ka 10 school for innovative model for vocational and training lengba ka NCRT gidon ka jingate bat kene ka Pandit Sharma Sundar Vocational Institute Bhopal bat ngi yo ru ya ka jing support nang tei ka jing siu nang tei bat ki tiar kitar nang tei tikene ka ka wai tang ki school ha ka state banlong ka vocational innovative model schools haki artli ki subject ka agriculture bat ka beauty and wellness ti ngilas dang arjar arko bat ka batch ka banung ko bayale ya ka board exam ka dimension snam arjar arko pan sok men leng ba ga jing tre tom jong ina hikai bikna baki khna ki biyo highest ha ka megalia board haki di artli ki subject ha ka secondary but higher secondary ki de na ka school te mental snam ro kalong biang gumju baki khana nagani ka school haga secondary but higher secondary kidi ki bayo highest mark hagani ka subject tigala long shisha kata ka model school nagamta ka vocational ka jingdon gitiar ki bobyang kala rap ya ka jingla ki khana ban puli bha kidi kata hi ka wai ti nagamta ka curiosity kemut ban kwa ban puli kwa ban nang kwa ban tip hasin bala sin bala sedang bala kwa ban nang ban puli ban tip ti nengkong la dam padon ka jing sultanat dang thaj ban puli tendala sultanat dala bang pada kemot kila sultanat ban puli ni ye ketiga magic card boro ki interest kete magic card ha itu kena be perform ye kete magic card lengo alut ma ila ban batai lut ye ka singha ye ka banai ba kha mo kidi ki ai ka ba ki kena ki ki puli lingo wat ngi bahar ngi lingo ai ka trick ten rei ka don la ka jong ka trick ma te kita ki ai la long amazing ya ki kena joi ka bakong san hi ka long ka interest la ding don ka interest la ding don ka mon ban le hila ban le ti kham tam ha ka sport kani ka school Mynken Christian baro ki tip man shwa ba ka de tangka ka school sport de kamar ka pau ha super tu na du handai ba klap pau football du handai ka de tang school se ban ong license ban mi khmat ya ka jala shadali ti ka jing itu sultanat kalong ba ukhna dau ba sultanat football yu lawan lupang ni mar su thu ba ka school kan sapoi shalor kin sa ka de ka platform bakin yo ban ile ka sha shalor ta ka wei tingi pelut bun ka pisah na kam ta ndai ban mla ban le ai lada invest lada phim don ka interest phap don ka mon I pelut ka by training ka refreshment jongki ka uniform jongki ka ta phap ban pelut ya ka por ti sisin bala tre sitom kemot lami u so jong ka tre ngibo ikut temporary coach tang haki por season arngot ru ni ai anoriam ki ngi siu ki ha ka jing siu mar ki di ex student lupa ki bala pang bala long state player tang ba ki ko aban yarap ya school ru kala don lupa kum kata ka medsim ti kata ga dei ti kan ni ka khelo india ka nomor ba ka dei ka school ku bala pa sport ti kan ni ka scheme ha ba kawan ha ka jala ban peli art li ki khelo india center ha ka wei district ti ka sport department kala ji lupa ya kan ni ka wei ya school jingi ka wei bakan lo ka khelo india center tambah ki ai beda ka boxing ti mata ga dang susdang mata ti ai ngu sarkar ba jeng club wei coach bal siu hidaka government sport authority of india nanta ki da phi te senbut ba nakmat ru bla thol pa nanta ki nikitiar kitar ki ba byang habas dang ki ai kumba nyulak man thiet ikini ki tingirang khwi lenti ban yo sa boxing ring ban yo sa boxing ring bela yo sa boxing ring lala ngi kerman ba nomor bangi dak sang kerman bikin sami ki state player kin mi segi national player mo na ka school ko jongi ti ki khna ki don ko balai fungut ki ba train na ka boxing te ngi kerman ba kan ka center kan ya ti ban jiet biang ya ka school ba kan long ka pilot project na ka banta ka jing puli ya STEM science technology engineering ban maths haka ba ka sarkar kala IT haka smart village movement ban pinyai bat kala tie up bat kini ka curiosity gym from Mumbai ki ba ai training na ka banta kini ka STEM program ti haka ba sedang namar ka dega ba thmai barok khoj kim da suthu ya ka bat ki sola mudur ba ya kini ka program tenre hadin ba ilayo kitar gitar kum kini ka machine ban penyayo robot 3D printing machine 3D pen nang tabat ki wei kitar kala ketik mensim ya ki bobon ki khna tegat kum gejing thu sarkar kedai ban sedang nudu kelas 3 seneng tinggal sedang nudu kelas 3 ki khna kim da nut ban kim da kwa ban join ha ka sedang nomor ba kim tip ki smo ba ka tenre nda kila mat ban da kila le ya ka practical ki kila mat ba ka long ka subang ka sultanat ban puli bat ngi ya gejing start ju ki khna chene ha ba kila sedang ki len ki tip kloit wut ya ka rukum ban puli ya ki ngi penya ya kene ngi manage kene da bangi pelong men step bat janmit ki phia ki kelas kat kum rutin kino hikai saungut ngi layo ya training leng ba kini ka smart village movement ba leng ba ka curiosity gym ngi don saungut iwei dai MSc maths iwei dai MSc physics iwei MSc jongka jongka electronic communication but iwei dai MCA ki bala train leng ba kini gini kino hikai kila train sitom na ka kini ti kini ka program kaya te hadian ba kini ki officer ki one page ki I ba don kam ban pun ban conduct ya organize exhibition nang bagani kan ai sim ya ki waipan ya kini ki jingpuli haki school jongka jela ka jongi ti mi isang ladon haka lenti ban seng ya sports academy ti kan ni kala kan saya kan sami ka Mynken sports academy insa nang ya nang sehman te bokong sani ka initiative ka bangisim ban namdai ban concentrate tang ha wi benta te ringi so kumen ba da ka jingsim kya ha wi benta academically ro ki ki menta usna miyo ngirong ha top 20 and 15 rank ti kini kala nang pen sa ka partai ba kani school mde tang sport academically ro ki bit biang te ka badon kam mi kalong ba kumnu ngi initiate kumnu ngi pelut por bat kum nung iton ka vision David don ka vision kan ban wanra ya ka determination le in ang tay ka don ka vision statement ka jung la ban sion do vision and mission statement ka jung David don ka mission statement le kan lu sulong sa aju staganan ti ki bobon ki sushim be bom yo gran na gomen bom yo kumne bom yo ta ngi tay ya ka ngi sang ngi tay ya ka science lab lai kamra ki ipulut kum balai folak tam I generate hi ngim up na ki wai na ga resources lai ni tai gudu vocational ru hapor buki one page director one page wong film don room ni tai ye gato tigamot habashim ni ya ga tingi ai kublai ga managing committee ka ba support yangi ka ba ai mit sim yangi no hi kai bangin le ye ka ik badan kam ban le ti ka jingkur khu ka dai ya ki lawai jo ki hep ki barit jo ka dai ka dong ka than ki jongi ha ga ba kin nang kan tiu ha ka tho puli